you do?
Okay.
Smith Brothers Farms, right? Chocolate milk free. He's got a whole bunch of chocolate milk kids. Go up that way. Yeah, he doesn't want to take it home. So you help kids?
I can say something about the Forgotten Children's Fund. I actually volunteer for them every few years. I drive the truck, basically, and it's a great organization, and what they do is awesome.
All right, give them a hand, you guys. Okay.
Are you like
we got a winner. The Best of Show, sponsored by the Snoqualmie Valley Eagles. Who wants to be the winner? Car number 403, Thomas Wood, Lincoln Town Sedan. Where is he? Wow, there he is right there. He's coming. The Best of Show, Lincoln Town Sedan. Snoqualmie Valley Eagles, Thomas Wood. Awesome. Hey guys, hope you had a great time. Again, don't just take off. Be careful. Be calm. Take your time getting out of here. We're going to play a little music to start this tour now. Yeah, recycle it. For next year.
I thought this card.
I'll try to get right behind you. I'll be here in 5.
All right, Chainsaw Steve, if you can make your way down to the end for the speaker setup. Bill Phillips, report to the white tent. You have won modified to 50. Bill Phillips.
Hey, do you want to be a bite?